Hook out of the way. Quack, quack. Wait a minute, Doc. I'll go get you some bread now.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Don't hit the dock.
Just try not to.
Wow. Good job.
Try not to tip over. That happens a lot.
Sure you don't want the hat?
Huh?
You sure you don't want the hat?
I just want to be close to Tracy right now. You're best friends. Aww.
Whoa, what's with the little?
Okay, here's a motorboat coming.
Wait, am I in your way?
I want to catch the fish.
That was weird. There was just those swirls in the water.
In a white line in there.
Careful, Adi.
I could see
Alright, do you want
underwater.
to
Careful with Camila.
Do you want to try?
Yeah. But, yeah.
I want to try.
All right, your dad's gonna try. Then Camila. Then you.
What, you,
Or do you want?
yeah, she can try first. Because
All right. So what I'm gonna do is, since all the fish are right there, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop it in. You're gonna hold it, and when it starts tugging, you're gonna go like this. You're just gonna pull it up. All right. And just pull it straight out of the water. Okay. Now, slowly put it into the water until it's at the bottom. No, that's reeling it in. That's reeling it in. Just drop like that. Now pull it up
You caught a fish.
like that. The
I see a fish.
I don't see it, no.
I see some fish. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here. We're not gonna hurt you. We're just gonna get you with this. Well, almost got the
you hold it like this. Like.
Here, fish.